In this video, I'll show you how to find your two-factor authentication backup codes on Discord. First, open the Discord app on your computer, or go to Discord in your web browser. Once Discord is open, look at the bottom left corner and click the gear icon next to your username to open user settings. From here, select My Account. Scroll down until you see two-factor authentication. Then click View Backup Codes. You'll need to re-enter your Discord password. After that, Discord will send an 8-character verification code to your email. Enter that code to continue. Your backup codes will now be displayed. Make sure you copy them and save them somewhere safe. If you ever need new ones, you can select Generate New Backup Codes, which will replace the old ones. And that is how you find your two-factor authentication backup codes on Discord. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.